For two of them. Oh, okay. And who makes it? What's in it?
AOJIA.
Some company in Japan.
AOJIA.
All right. All right. So first of all, where'd you get these?
Amazon.
Okay. What are they?
They are organizers for under your sink.
Oh, okay. All right. So how's it work?
See?
All right. Wow.
That's the bottom.
Okay. So do we have to screw these in?
Nope.
You just set them in?
Just set them.
So here's the directions.
And get some scissors.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, that is the trash.
Oh, I see. So these are going to go in these holes, right? Like that. You got it? Just don't stab me with them. You got more. Just don't cut yourself. You got it. Keep going. Oh, there we go. All right, now we take these, we go like that.
Yep.
Right? Put one there, one over here.
You can push them in. Make sure they're in all the way.
Hang on. Okay, now this, let me show me the bottom of that. So that one slides out too, so flip it over. And this has like holes on it, right? Okay, so we got to match those up. So let's see. You got that one in. Oh, you got to get over a little bit more. Okay, that one's in. I went over here. Get that one in. Got it? How about this one? All right, so that's it right there.
Yeah, but you gotta make sure they're in.
Okay. All right, so now you're going to take, let's take a look at it here. So this goes underneath.
This isn't in.
Oh, shoot.
It goes under the sink in the bathroom.
Here, let's make a little pop on it. Here.
Yeah, you're gonna.
Okay, I think we're in now. All right, so let's see how it slides out. So you can pull this out, right?
Yep.
And then all your little stuff are on there. Like,
And
what are those?
little hooks for the sides.
Oh, so we can put stuff on the side? See how those work?
Pop them on like
Oh,
this.
okay. So you can hang stuff from the side over here. See, what do you got? Like 4 of them?
Yeah.
Or you're just gonna put them on one side? I guess.
Yeah, because that'll be against the wall.
All right. Should we put it in there and see what it looks like?
No, because I don't feel like pulling everything out from under.
Oh,
the
you got a
sink.
bunch of stuff in there.
Yeah.
And this is just for the bathroom?
Yeah.
You can
Or
really
the kitchen.
You can use it in the kitchen though.
I've
couldn't
got
you?
one under the sink in the kitchen.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, not this one, a different one. I got a metal one, and then I saw these, and I wish I'd gotten this for it.
So this looks like a viable solution for getting stuff out of there. It's a little bit, and you could screw it into the bottom if you wanted to, but I don't know if you need to, right?
No.
All right, looks pretty
But
good.
when you get a little weight in it, it's going to get.
Yeah, it might move. Maybe if we put some silicone here, so then we can move it like a little bit better.
Oops, this is still not hooked in.
All right, so what are these called? Does it have a name?
You got the thing there.
Oh, here it is. It says just. It doesn't tell us. It doesn't tell us who makes it though.
Well, here, I'll tell you in a minute.
All right.
What my orders.
All right. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos where we make stuff like this.